Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to guide you through how to buy Netflix gift card on Amazon. The first thing first, you need to head over to your browser, type in amazon.com and then log into your account with your credentials. Once you've done that, you will see a page where you will see search Amazon. So in that search bar, type in Netflix gift cards. Once you do that, you will see various gift cards that you can purchase. Then go ahead and pick the one you want. After selecting the one you want, it could be e-gift card or physical gift card. Then select the option that you would like, and you can also customize it. If it's going to be a physical gift card, select physical gift card and read everything very carefully, and once you're satisfied, you may go ahead and buy it. Before that, make sure to enter your email address. Make sure to enter the email address of the recipient and follow the on-screen prompt. And just like that, you're done. Hope you found this guide helpful.